Hello students, in previous class we discussed about the international system. Okay, how whenever a number is given to you, how we can separate each number by using commas, and how we can write the given number in form of words by using the international system. Already we discussed in last class. Okay, once again I will recall to you about the international system briefly. Whenever a number is given to you, we have to use commas after every three digits. Where you have to start? From right side onwards you have to start. From right side you have to start and separate it or use the comma. Whenever a number is given to you, we have to use comma after three digits. For example, I give you one number like this. Like this number is given to you. From right side, whenever you look the number, this is the right hand side. Okay, from right side. From right side you have to start. From right side you have to start. For every three digits we have to give the comma. Which system it is? International system. International system. Okay, for every three digits. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Because I did not mention comma here, because 8 is the last digit for this number. Last digit number we can't mention comma. For example, like this number is J. Like this number is J. Then we have to start. From right side only. Right side only have to start. Okay, 4, 1, 2, 3, comma, 1, 2, 3, comma, place comma, 1, 2, 3, comma. Because last digit is 2, so that's why I kept a comma here. Here last digit is this one only, so I did not use the comma. Whenever international system is given to you, we can write in words. That one already I given homework for you, but I will explain one more sum for you. Okay, write page number 18 in new textbook. Page number 18. Page number 18. What is the question they are given? Already tomorrow we started one sum completed. Remaining two sums I given homework for you. Write the following. Write the following names. Names they will ask. Sometimes they will ask words. Words is nothing but names only. In both Indian, in both Hindu system is nothing but Indian system only. Hindu and international system. International system. Hindu, Arabic system, Hindu system or Indian system. Three are same only. Okay, one number we have to take 8560707236. Okay, see some do your own. Already some members completed, some members not completed. Those who did not completed, those completed. 87. This sum complete yourself. 45607087. Once again I am reading number 45607087. For that you have to write Indian system and international system. Okay, now I will write Indian system and international system for this one. Okay, you have to take number. See, look here. What is the number given there? That number you have to take. I want to write international system. International. First we will write Indian system. Indian system. By writing the Indian system, we have to use commas. Okay, when which number is given to you, that number copy here. Which number is given to you, that number I copied here. Okay, already we know in any system where we have to use commas. From right side we have to digits. In Indian system, first comma will place after 3 digits from right side. Later every 2 digits we will get comma. Every 2 digits later. First comma after every 2 digits after we will place comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. But now we see observe here. This is which group it is? Unit group. This is a thousand group. This is a lakh group. This is a crore group. Crore group up to only we learn. So we have to combine this to the crore group only. Actually, we have to place comma here. Okay. Now we will write in name. Name. Name or what? Anyone you can use. Name or what? What also we can use. Which number is given to you? That one copy here. 8, 5, 6, 0, 7, 0, 7, 2, 3, 6. Where you got comma, there you have to place that. Okay. Draw a line here. Where you got comma, there draw a line. Draw a line. Later I will draw this line here. Okay. Now we have to write groups. Without using groups also we can write it. Watch. By using groups it is very easy to work. Okay. What are the groups are available here? Unit group. Unit group after thousand group. According to Indian system I am writing it. And thousand group after that only very important. In Indian system we will get thousand group after lakh. Lakh group. Lakh group after crore group. Crore after we did not learn many place value. So that's why I combine this 8 to be this one. Okay. That means crore group after we did not know any place value. Okay, but in that place values, but we don't know. In our textbook only given to up to crores only. That's why 10 crores after in your textbook given 100 crores given. That's why we have taken 8 also included in the crore group. Now we will write in marks. Okay, what is the number in crore group? 856. 856. 56. What is the place value? Crores. 56 crores. 56 crores. In lakh group, what is the number? 07. 0 no need to write. 07 we can write as 7 only. 7 lakh. 7 lakh. 7 lakhs. And next thousand group also having 7 only. 7. 07 is nothing but 7. While 07 is given to you, read number means we will read 7 only. 07 we can't read. 7,000. 7,000. In unit group, what is the number that I will write? 236. 200 and 36. 236. If you in 36, that is the British language. If you are not using that, the American language. Okay, you can use or use without using you can write. No problem with that. That is the Indian system. Now we will go for the international system. International system. International system. Okay, in international system, first you have to place commas. Which number is given to you? That one number you have to copy again. 8560 70 72 36. That is the number given to you. In Indian system also we have to start from right side only. Every time we have to start from right side only. No problem with that one. Now where you have to place commas in international system. In international system, every 3 days after we will get comma. From right side I have to start 1 2 3 place comma 1 2 3 place comma 1 2 3 place comma. That is the number. Now we can write a name. Name is nothing but what? Don't confuse about that one. Okay, what is the number is given to you? That one you have to write 707 236. Commas have to place. Commas place. What is the number here? Commas. That only I copied. Newly I did not write anything. Where you got comma, there you have to draw a line. Okay, there you have to draw a line. Okay, now you have to write down groups. Groups. What are the groups available in an international system? First one is unit group. Unit group. Next one is thousand group. Next one is the thousand group. And then up to these two only same. Thousand group, up to that one. Indian system or international system same. Later only will change. Thousand group after only we will get the different. Thousand group after which group we will get? That one only we have to memorize. In international system, in Indian system, lakhs we will get. In Indian system we will get a lakhs. In international system, what we will get? Million. Million group. Million after billion. Billion after trillion. Okay, unit group, thousand group, million group, billion group, trillion group. And now we can write what form? Now we will write the what form here. Now we will write what is the billion group we have digit age. Age. What is the place value billion? 8 billion. 8 billion. Million place what is the number? 560. 560. What is the place value? Million. 560 million. What is the thousand group having? 707. 707. 707. What is the place value? 1000. 1000. 707,000. What is the unit digit having? 236. 236. Here we can use under our wish button, but try to use 100 after. If I am writing an Indian system or internet system, unit group we have to use with and 100 after we will use and. That means here we have to use and. This is the whenever a model, whenever a number is given to you, write in words. In Indian system or internet system means we have to follow this pattern. This is very important common word. Okay, so many times they ask for 4 marks. Okay, they will give one number. We have to write Indian system and internet system. Now we will discuss comparison of Indian system and internet system. To do the next one, we have to know what is the comparison of Indian system and internet system. Then only we will do the sums very easy. Without knowing that one, we can't write. Okay, compare now Indian system and internet system. If you want Indian system and internet system, comparison is very easy to do. Okay, if you use the Indian system or internet system, very easily compare. Comparison of Indian system, Indian and international system. Indian and international systems. Okay, these two systems have to compare. So many times they ask for fix. Okay, then what is the Indian system? First we have to write the places. According to places only we have to follow the Indian system. Okay, Indian system I will write here. Indian system. I will write international system below. International system. International system. These two systems have to follow to compare. Now we have to take a part of the places available in Indian system. Once, later tens, later tens, later hundred, later thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Okay, what is the Indian system? According to the groups also we have to take, but little bit you may get confusion whenever you take group with group. Okay, we have for this model, whenever comparison is, if you want to do, then we have to follow the Indian system place values and international system place values. Both place values we have to memorize by writing number of times. We have to write this table nearly 10 times, then we can memorize that one. Then we can usually solve the problems according to the comparison. What are the groups are available in our Indian system? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore. Okay, now we will write down what is the value quality? Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. Thousand after we will get in Indian system 10,000 after lakh, 10 lakh, crore, 10 crore, 100 crore, 100 crore. Okay, only this one only have to memorize. In crores only 100 crore. Now we will write Indian system ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Up to 10,000 same only in Indian system or international system. Up to which place value they will be same. Up to 10,000 same only. Up to 10,000 those are same only. Now 10,000 after 100,000. 10,000 after we will get 100,000. Next million, 10 million, 10 million, 100 million, billion, 10 billion, 100 billion. But comparison means up to billion only. Up to billion only we end that one. Okay, one thing remember, what are the place values in international system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000. Up to this one, both systems are same one. So 10,000 after we will get 100,000. 100,000, million, 10 million, 100 million. Million, I am saying million. Don't confuse. Later, million after only we will get a billion. Billion after only we will get a billion. What are the place values available in Indian system? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, 100,000. Million, 10 million, 100 million. Later billion. Billion also we have two more places. 10 billion or 100 million. But by comparing up to billion only enough. Up to billion only enough. By comparing means we have to follow this table. We have to today homework by writing when doing the homework today we have to write this table at least 5 times. 5 times we have to write. Write this one 5 times. Totally this comparison of table 5 times you have to write. So then we can later read and without seeing 2 times write. 5 times you have to write with seeing. Later 2 times without seeing you have to write. Okay. Then we will get the table. What are the questions related to this one? Fourth one we can do yourself only because using the internet system. That one using the internet system separate commas do your work. I will not explain fourth one. Fourth one is related to the number given to you in Indian system. That only how to copy to the internet system. Separate with commas. For example, I will explain to you one sum. This is Indian system. Fourth one Indian system. Indian system. This is the international system. International system. They will given first Roman 2 sums. I will show you how we can do that. For only 4 sums are there. 4 sums complete yourself. Just separate with comma. 4 2 5 6 8 7 6 9 5 6 7 6 7 2 3 45 6 3 0 3 4 4 8 4 3 3 8 0 0 0 0 0 0 3. Okay, like this given numbers are given to you. We have to just separate with commas. Actually, this number did not given as a comma. No problem with that one. Just what is the number? Indian system information is given to you. Copy in internet system. What is the number given? 4, 2, 5, 6, 8, 7, 6. For that number, we have to place commas. Just place commas. We have to take from right side onwards 1, 2, 3. Every 3 days after we will give comma. 1, 2, 3, comma. Yeah. That's why. Yeah. Next, same internet system number is copy in Indian system. 630344843. Now we have to start from right side. Indian system is first comma we place after 3 days. 1, 2, 3. Okay, after every 2 days we will place comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. 1, 2, comma. Like that. But rows is given. Rows is given means no need to place comma. Rows we will take as 100 rows. 100 rows. Similarly, these two sums you have to complete. What is our work today? Today work is we have to try and write this table 5 times. We have to write this table 5 times. 2 times without seeing the answer, right? Later complete these two Romans. 4th Roman complete. 5, 6 also try yourself. 5, 6 Romans also try yourself. I will explain those, but we have to compare them. Try yourself. Then we will get the answers. Otherwise, I will explain them.